कृषि क्षेत्र में आज संकट परिस्थिति है। पैडी, wheat, sugarcane, mustard seed, cotton, soybean, jute, almost all the prices of these agricultural producers has gone down considerably. And the cost of production, minimum support price, they are not matching with each other, and farmers are incurring huge losses. I'll just give 3-4 examples. Paddy per quintal production cost is 1355. Minimum support price is 1080. 250 rupees loss per every quintal of production. Sugarcane, cost of production is 2400. The minimum support price is 1400. 1000 rupees loss per each ton of sugarcane. Cotton, cost of production is 4500. Minimum support price is 3300. Loss is 1200 per quintal. Wheat, 1530 is the cost of production. Minimum support price is 1280. 250 rupees loss per each quintal produced. That's why the farmers are in despair. Time and again it's happening. Vagaries of monsoon, spurious seeds and pesticides, non-availability of timely and adequate affordable credit, lack of remunerative prices, unscientific methods adopted by CACP in determining the MSP, restriction on food grain movement within the country, lack of export facilities, lack of godowns, lack of cold storage for perishable products, lack of comprehensive crop insurance scheme, and abnormal many-fold increase in the price of agricultural inputs. These are all the main reasons. For example, the price of DAP, diammonium phosphate, last year was 486 per bag. This year it is 1046. You can understand, government is saying we have increased MSP. One bag increase is around 500 rupees, 550 rupees. Complex fertilizer also the price has gone up. Muriate of potash also has gone up. Fuel price have been increased. That's why slowly agriculture is becoming a non-viable profession. The farmers are getting only 32% of the farmers are getting credit from institutional finance. Remaining people are getting credit from private money lenders. 6 years of UPA, they have not added 1 ton of godown for storage. Swaminathan Commission has made recommendations 5 years back. These recommendations are not even studied nor implemented by the government. That's why today the BJP has made a demand that there is a need for thorough discussion into the overall problems of the farming community. It is not a political issue to blame one party or other. It's a larger issue of the survival of agriculture. That's why we have demanded convening of a special session of Parliament for 7 days to discuss about the agriculture crisis. The entire farming community in the country is in deep distress. Agrarian crisis is looming large. Unless timely and adequate steps are not taken, we are going to have a serious crisis in the country, which will affect our food security also. That's why we have demanded calling of a special session of Parliament, and we wanted not only Agriculture Minister, but also Finance Minister, Commerce Minister, Panchayat Raj Minister, Minister for Food and Consumer Affairs, all to be present and take part in this discussion. Many of the other colleagues from different parties, the debate is on. They are also supporting this idea of convening a special session. We will be mobilizing support for this demand of convening a special session of Parliament.
So today there was a short duration discussion listed.
I initiated.
But you didn't allow the House to that.
No.
In spite of such a serious.
Sir, unfortunately, you have not got the facts. The short duration discussion was initiated by me.
Yeah, you know.
And then the debate is on. The discussion is going on. The minister will respond afterwards. But mere minister's response on a piecemeal basis is not going to help. That's why we have demanded convening of a special session of Parliament and discussion on implementation of Swaminathan Commission recommendations also.